dear students. So today I'm going to start our chapter 3 of geography, motions of the earth. So here we will learn how the motions of the earth takes place, what is rotation and what is revolution, what is illumination, and everything about the earth's rotation and revolution. So the ancient people had always observed the movement of the sun, the moon, and the other heavenly bodies in the sky. They believed that the earth was stationary and other heavenly bodies moved around it. So in the earlier times, what the earlier people thinks that all the heavenly bodies move around the earth and the earth is stationary. Stationary means stable, means not moving. Okay. So what happened now? Now the Nicholas Copernicus, a Polish astronomer in the 16th century, was the first to say that Earth only appeared to be stationary. Means he said that Earth looks like stationary, but it doesn't. Okay, actually the Earth not only spins on its axis but also moves around the sun. So then he came to a conclusion that Earth not only spins on its axis. What is spin on its axis? Spins on its axis means here is your earth and here is sun. Okay, so it spins on its axis. So here north pole and south pole, these are what? These are the imaginary axis which I have explained you in the earlier chapter 2, that these are the axis of the earth. Okay, north pole and south pole. Okay and it spins means अपनी ही जगह पे ये गोल 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 इस तरीके से चक्कर लगाती है, गोल 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 घूमती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड spins on its axis and that is called rotation. Okay, rotation of the earth. Okay, on its axis, अपनी ही जगह पे घूमना. Okay, that is called spins. Then thus the earth has two types of motions. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation and the movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. So rotation I have explained you that it spins on its axis, अपनी ही जगह पे इस तरीके से गोल 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 घूमेगी. That is called rotation. But जब ये सूरज के when it takes a revolution, when it takes a round or circle around the sun, गोल गोल घूमते हुए सन के चारों तरफ ये पूरा राउंड लेती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, इट टेक्स 1 year टू कंप्लीट वन सर्कल अराउंड द सन ऑफ अर्थ, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिवोल्यूशन. ठीक है, सन के चारों तरफ चक्कर लगाने में पूरा 1 साल इसको लगता है एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, सो इन इसी पूरे 1 साल में, पूरे एक चक्कर में क्या होता है, ड्यू टू द मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ एंड ड्यू टू द डिफरेंट फेसिंग ऑफ द अर्थ फ्रॉम सन, कभी पास जाती है, कभी दूर जाती है, या कभी से इसका जो फेस है कभी इस साइड आ जाता है, कभी इस साइड आ जाता है. सो मूवमेंट के चक्कर में, अर्थ का मूवमेंट के चक्कर में कभी ये अर्थ को सन को फेस करती है या कभी इसका बैक पार्ट इसके पीछे होता है जो सन को फेस नहीं करता है, तो उसी से सीजन चेंज होते हैं. ओके, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू लेटर. सो रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. The axis of the earth is an imaginary line which passes through its center. The axis is not vertical, it is inclined at an angle of 66.5 degree with the plane of Earth's orbit. So it is about 66.5 degree means inclined, means झुका हुआ होता है, means it is not straight and these axes are inclined. Okay, the plane of the Earth's orbit, this is known as inclination of Earth's axis. The inclination is always in the same direction, that is towards the pole star. So always the inclination around the pole star. Okay, that I have explained you earlier in the 2nd chapter also about it. The inclination is always in the same direction, that is towards the pole star. Every morning we notice that the sun rises in the east, travels across the sky during the day and finally sets in the west in the evening. This is due to the rotation of the earth. So what happens, daily we see that because of the rotation of the अर्थ का गोल गोल अपनी तरफ अपनी जगह पे ही घूमने के कारण क्या होता है, तो मॉर्निंग जब होगा तो ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पर मॉर्निंग मतलब सन को फेस कर रहा है ये अर्थ का ये पार्ट. सो व्हाट इट विल डू, there is morning, means dawn. Okay, dawn means morning. And the other part of the earth which is not facing the sun, that is night. Okay, dusk. So, and it takes almost 24 hours to complete a day and night motion. Okay, so this part is facing to the sun of the earth, so it is morning side, and this is the dark side, and this is night side, and it takes almost 24 hours, and this happens in the rotation of the earth. Okay, suppose we are traveling in a train. We see through the window that the trees and telephone poles on the wayside seem to move past in the opposite direction. We know it is a train that is moving and not the objects outside. So the earth takes about 24 hours, that I have explained you. Okay, so this paragraph is over. Rotation of the earth. So now here, effect of the earth's rotation. So what happens when the earth take its rotation? When earth rotate on its axis, it makes us feel that the sun, the moon and other heavenly bodies move from east to west. It causes the bulging of the earth at the equator and flattening at the poles. So bulging at the equator means, this part is bulk. Bulk means बाहर निकला हुआ है, गोल में है ये, on the equator due to the rotation of the earth. अर्थ के रोटेशन के कारण क्या होता है, ये जो इक्वेटर का पार्ट होता है ये बल्ग हो जाता है, गोलाई में आ जाता है, बल्गिंग, एंड द फ्लैटेंड ऑन द पोल्स, और जो पोल्स से है यहाँ पर ये फ्लैट हो जाता है. अर्थ इज नॉट इन अ प्रॉपर स्पीयर शेप. अर्थ इज फ्लैटेंड फ्रॉम द पोल्स and bulging from the equator due to the rotation of the earth. This is the effect. It causes days and night on earth. It gives us the concept of direction based on sunrise and sunset. It causes deflation in the direction of winds and ocean currents. It gives us a day of 24 hours. It causes tides twice a day. So all this takes place due to the rotation of the earth. So now the next paragraph is the circle of illumination. What is the meaning of the illumination? Illumination means light. Okay, so the sun is the main source of heat and light for the earth. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, only one half of it gets light from the sun at a time and other half remains in darkness. So what happens here, when, because due to the spherical shape of the earth, क्योंकि ये गोल है, so what happen, one part to get sunlight. Okay, this part will get sunlight because it is facing the sun, and the other one is dark. Okay, I'm using blue here. Actually it is used to be black. So sun is facing, this earth is facing the sun in this direction, so it is day, and this is the illumination part. Illumination means light part. Okay, so the circle of illumination is an imaginary line which separates the lighted part of the earth from the dark one. Thus the portion of the earth that receives sunlight experiences day, while the portion which is in darkness experiences night. That is clear. That is the concept of the rotation of the earth when it facing the sun. Okay, so here it will be day. This is the illumination line. Okay, this one is the illumination line, this is the day, and this is the night. Okay, and this concept takes place in 24 hours due to the rotation of the earth. So let us try to understand how days and nights are caused with the help of the activity. So this is an activity, you can do it by yourself if you want. In a dark room, place a globe in front of an electric bulb, switch on the light. This activity you can do it by yourself by reading this. Okay, so here 2 paragraphs I have completed. Rotation of the earth, and here I have explained you revolution also, effects of the earth's rotation, the circle of the illumination. For today this much is enough. In my next class I will explain further.